Hey everyone, welcome back. Is your Google Pixel screen refusing to rotate even when auto rotation is turned on? Don't worry, this video will show you easy fixes that actually work. Let's go step by step and get it sorted. Solution 1. Turn on auto rotate properly. First, let's confirm auto rotation is enabled. Swipe down to open quick settings. Look for auto rotating. If it shows portrait, tap it to enable auto rotate. Now rotate your phone and test again. Solution 2. Disable rotation lock from display settings. Sometimes the toggle doesn't apply correctly. Open settings on your device, then tap display and touch. Scroll down and select auto rotate screen. Turn it off, wait a few seconds, then turn it on again. Pixel uses sensors that may conflict with rotation. So turn off face detection. This refreshes the sensor setting. If auto rotation still doesn't work, it might be a hardware issue. Like, subscribe, and comment if you need more Pixel fixes. Thanks for watching.